Ever wondered what Earth would be like without some of its most crucial elements? Imagine a world without water, oxygen, or even carbon. Today on Facts, we're diving into this mind-boggling scenario. But first, a quick joke to lighten the mood. Why did the Scarecrow become a successful YouTuber? Because he was outstanding in his field. Let's get started. Stick around to find out how the absence of just one element can turn our beautiful Earth into a desolate wasteland. And trust me, it's not pretty. Alright, let's kick things off with the most obvious one, water. Picture this, Earth without water, no oceans, rivers, lakes, or even rain. Sounds like a desert, right? Well, without water, life as we know it wouldn't exist. No plants, no animals, and definitely no humans. Water is the lifeblood of our planet, making up about 71% of its surface and playing a crucial role in regulating temperature and supporting ecosystems. Without it, Earth would be a barren rock floating in space. Water also plays a critical role in the Earth's climate system. It helps moderate temperatures through the water cycle, evaporating, forming clouds, and falling as precipitation. Without this cycle, we'd experience extreme temperature fluctuations, making the planet inhospitable. Additionally, water is essential for photosynthesis, the process by which plants produce oxygen and food. Without water, there would be no photosynthesis, no plants, and subsequently, no life. Every sip of water you take, every shower you enjoy, and every raindrop that falls is a testament to the essential nature of this incredible element. Next up, let's talk about oxygen. Breathe in. Now imagine there's no oxygen. Feeling a bit panicky? You should be. Oxygen makes up about 21% of our atmosphere and is essential for respiration in most living organisms. Without it, not only would we be gasping for air, but fire wouldn't exist either. No more cozy campfires, no more cooking on a stove, and definitely no more industrial processes that rely on combustion. Talk about a serious buzzkill. Oxygen is also crucial for the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. Without oxygen, the ozone layer would deteriorate, leaving Earth vulnerable to UV rays, which can cause skin cancer and other health issues. Moreover, oxygen is vital for various biochemical reactions in our bodies, including the production of ATP, the energy currency of cells. Without oxygen, our cells wouldn't be able to produce energy efficiently, leading to cellular damage and eventually death. The next time you take a deep breath, remember how critical oxygen is to every aspect of life. And what about carbon? It's the backbone of all life on Earth. Carbon atoms bond together to form the molecules that make up our bodies, plants, and every other living thing. Without carbon, the very building blocks of life wouldn't exist. No DNA, no proteins, no cells, basically no life. Earth would be an empty shell, void of any biological activity. Carbon is also a key component of the carbon cycle, which involves the exchange of carbon between the atmosphere, oceans, soil, and living organisms. This cycle is crucial for regulating Earth's climate and supporting life. Without carbon, this cycle would be disrupted, leading to severe climate changes and the collapse of ecosystems. Additionally, carbon is essential for the formation of fossil fuels, which have powered human civilization for centuries. The absence of carbon would mean no coal, oil, or natural gas, profoundly impacting our energy resources and technological advancement. The next time you admire a diamond or enjoy a delicious meal, remember that carbon is the element that makes it all possible. But wait, there's more. Imagine Earth without nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of our atmosphere and is a key component of amino acids and proteins. Without it, plants wouldn't be able to grow, as they rely on nitrogen to create chlorophyll, the substance that allows them to photosynthesize. No nitrogen means no plants, and no plants mean no food for us. We'd be living in a world without agriculture, struggling to find alternative food sources. Nitrogen is also a critical component of nucleic acids, which make up DNA and RNA, the molecules responsible for storing and transmitting genetic information. Without nitrogen, the genetic code that governs all living organisms would be incomplete, leading to the breakdown of biological processes. Furthermore, nitrogen is essential for the nitrogen cycle, a process that converts nitrogen in the atmosphere into forms that plants can absorb and use. Without this cycle, the availability of nitrogen for plant growth would be severely limited, leading to a collapse of ecosystems and the extinction of numerous species. The next time you enjoy a delicious meal, remember that nitrogen played a crucial role in bringing that food to your plate. And let's not forget about phosphorus. It might not be as famous as water or oxygen, but phosphorus is essential for life. It's a key part of DNA, RNA, and ATP, the energy currency of cells. Without phosphorus, our cells wouldn't be able to store or transfer energy, effectively halting all biological processes. Life would come to a standstill. Phosphorus is also vital for the formation of bones and teeth. Without it, our skeletal structure would be weak and fragile, leading to a host of health issues. Additionally, phosphorus is crucial for the growth and development of plants, as it plays a key role in photosynthesis and energy transfer. Without phosphorus, agricultural productivity would plummet, leading to food shortages and economic instability. The next time you admire a strong tree or enjoy a nutritious meal, remember that phosphorus is working behind the scenes to support life. Finally, let's consider sulfur. Sulfur is crucial for the synthesis of certain amino acids and vitamins. It's also a component of many enzymes and cofactors that facilitate chemical reactions in our bodies. Without sulfur, these processes would be disrupted, leading to severe biological consequences. Sulfur is also essential for the detoxification processes in our bodies. It helps in the elimination of toxins and supports liver function. Additionally, sulfur is important for the structure and integrity of proteins, which are vital for muscle function, immune response, and overall health. Without sulfur, our bodies would struggle to maintain these critical functions, leading to a host of health problems. The next time you enjoy a healthy meal or exercise, remember that sulfur is playing a vital role in keeping your body functioning properly. Well, there you have it, a grim yet fascinating look at what Earth would be like without some of its essential elements. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the catastrophic consequences of elemental absences, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you didn't enjoy it, well, there's always the possibility of an oxygen-free Earth to make you reconsider. Don't forget to subscribe to Facts for more mind-blowing content. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep pondering the wonders of our world and maybe appreciate that next breath of air just a little bit more. See ya. If you found today's topic as fascinating as we did, make sure to like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Facts for more amazing content that uncovers the mysteries of our world and beyond. Remember to hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Thanks for watching.